Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here, and what has just gone on? A red candle. Bitcoin dropped down around about 10%, and the whole crypto Twitter is just going absolutely crazy at the moment, but overall, I'm really mega bullish. This bull market is going to be insane, and it's going to change a lot of people's lives. And, when you get big dips off Bitcoin like we have, I treat this as a buying opportunity. I don't like buying small dips, but this dip, what we've had, and the altcoins got just cascaded down, to me is an opportunity. And that. So I hope everybody is doing well. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. Just going to take a quick look at Bitcoin, Cro and Tectonic, and about the ETFs. At the moment, we've got around about 74 on greed. Market cap is about $1.69 trillion. So yeah, doing all right. And as I just said, we've just had that red candle drop down. I put this on the daily chart. We're back down in this ascending wedge. We found support here on the order block. And so we're not oversold. We're not overbought on the stock RSIs. We just had a little bit of fear what just come into the market. We had this big drop down, and you can see on the side here, it's nothing what would just happen. We got Gala, which dropped down to about 23%. We got Beam, what dropped down 24%. We got Cro, which dropped down around about 18%. Lots were going down. And were they opportunities to buy? I really do think so. When you get the big opportunities like this, I'm not standing by. I've got a small bag on the side. I'll buy these bigger dips, 23% such like, because I see the future, what's going to happen in this bull market. And I said to you in the last video, you're going to get manipulation. All the way through up to this Bitcoin ETF, there's going to be whales manipulating the market and market makers. So just bear that in mind. The market makers will be here trying to liquidate as long positions and short positions as they can. So just bear that in mind. I'm not fearful, because this bull market is going to be going crazy. A lot of people will make life-changing money in that. And that's like I said on all other videos, as you get big pumps, you're going to get dumps. You're going to get pullbacks, retraces. And those retraces, to me, are going to be like opportunities and that. So, yeah, we can see on here, on Bitcoin on a daily, we're falling back in this ascending wedge. Overall, still looking strong, still looking bullish. We're at 42,364. Don't forget, not long ago, we were sitting at $15,000, $16,000. But look where we are today. And I've been expecting a pullback at some point. But this been the pullback that we were after. Well, time will tell. And this ETF could come at any point in time from today onwards. So just be prepared for any eventuality. Could it be sell the news? It could be. It might not be. It might go all the way up to $50,000. We will soon find out. But looking at CRO at the moment, wow, look at that. A nice big red waterfall. Great opportunity to DCA there. If you had buy orders down here, congratulations to you. That's just about 7.5 cents. And we're back up now to around about getting up to that 9 cents mark again. And, what a nice little wick up. And that just shows how strong we are at the moment. We're not overbought, we're not oversold, or anything like that. So, yeah, our CRO is looking really, really strong there. I like it when you get these wicks. We get the big drop down and it wicks straight up. Buy pressure straight there. Opportunity again. And, looking really strong on CRO. And that. So we can have a quick look at Tectonic. Again, Tectonic had that big red waterfall down and then got bought straight back up. So obviously, as long as Bitcoin can hold the line here, it really do feel like, we could start pushing back up. But like I said, manipulation, what happens when the market's open today in the US? We could drop down a little bit further, or we could just carry on going sideways, or we could keep pushing up. But at the moment, it's just wait and see at this point in time. Because we've got this ETF coming up, and like I said, we've got a lot of manipulation happening. We've got this guy here, give him a follow. He's worth going for. He says here, he just puts it quite right here. I don't even understand why you're all trying to psych up yourselves into thinking the ETF is bearish. Bro, the largest asset manager in the world is backing a spot Bitcoin ETF and shilling it on national TV to everyone with a Fidelity account. What more do you want? And he's totally correct. You're going to get this manipulation, because we're getting that little bit of fear. Because we had Jim Cramer yesterday saying how he was bullish on Bitcoin. And, obviously, what happens when Cramer does things like that. It either drops, or if he's bearish, we pump. So hopefully this is the drop we wanted to get some more tokens if you had buy orders. But this Ansem is correct in what he is saying. And Elio Trade, who I follow a lot, if you don't follow him, give him a follow, because like I said, I've been DCAing in a lot of gaming projects. I like playing the Web3 gaming projects as well, like Vulcan Forge, those kind of games I like playing. And Elio Trades here says he thinks we're in disbelief, and I'm 100%. I'm with him on it. I really do. People can't believe it. From when we were down here, people were expecting to go down to $10,000 or less. But from $16,000, we've pumped all the way up to around about $46,000, and we've just pulled back a little bit here, and what's given maybe a little bit of fear in the market, especially if you're just just new into crypto and you've just seen this big dip and you bought, sort of this localish top here, and it's suddenly cascaded down, It's all learning, but for me, it's like I said, it's all these bigger dips, DCA for me, and obviously, we could pull back a little bit more. I really do think we're just going to start to make our way back up, or go a bit sideways here up to the ETF. But lots of manipulation, just be aware of that. But yeah, Elio Trades is completely right here. I really do think we're in disbelief, because you can see here, it says here, the Wolf of Wall Street, the market is so volatile that a single entity sharing their opinion that an ETF will get rejected is enough to trigger the liquidation cascade that the same irrelevant entity also predicted would come with the ETF rejection. Absolutely spot on. I like the Wolf of Wall Street. Give him a follow. Like Elio Trades, give him a follow. Tom Crown also, I like him as well. Give him a follow. With a spicy Bitcoin, and he just shows on there a big spicy move there. And for me, I just bought. I had some. Lucky for me, I did put some buy orders lower down on CRO at around about 8 cents. So yeah, bought up a little bit there, and I might just buy a little bit of Tectonic. But overall, the market is bullish for me. Like I said, get these big pullbacks, and take the opportunities, but always have your risk management. Never buy more than you're willing to lose. And don't listen to people like me. I'm only here for entertainment purposes. I'm just telling you what I'm personally doing. You should have your own plan. I have my own plan. What I'm going to do in the bull market, where I'm going to take profits. I have my plans in place for where I'm buying and where I'm selling. Because I don't have diamond hands. When this bull market goes parabolic and all the altcoins go crazy up there, I will start to take profits. And then when I take profits, what do? Obviously, you got your taxes, but also, I will put profits into like real estate, properties to rent out. I want to build that portfolio up, and that's what I'm doing. And people will want to pay their mortgages off, or big chunks of the mortgage or debt. So just bear that one in mind. But at the moment, the slightest bit of rumour that we're not going to get it. This is what happens. We get these pullbacks, but don't worry about it. It's just part of the crypto market manipulation. So yeah. But Pamper Crow here said there is no crypto bull run without a massive dump. The best catalyst is a good entry, which happens when diamond hands and long-term holders start selling. Without there is not enough liquidity on the market for institutions. So, like I said, he's spot on that as well. So, like I said, I really won't worry. What's this? Anything like this, I take it as an opportunity to buy more. I really do, and it is an opportunity, because when this bull market kicks off, it's going to change a lot of people's lives. So if we get another push up to 50k, expect we might get a bit of more of a pullback, and then continuation up. People think we're going to 100k, and if we go to 100k or more, expect pullbacks. But when we get these big moves, don't forget, take profits. That's all I say. So yeah, don't worry about today. Do your research. and you can't go wrong. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.